Cybersecurity is one of the fastest growing careers in the world today. Every organization needs skilled professionals to protect their systems, networks, and data from cyber attacks. If you want to start a career in cybersecurity, the first step is learning the basics of IT. You should understand how computers work, how the internet works, and how networks operate. Focus on basic topics like operating systems, especially Windows and Linux, and key networking concepts like IP addresses, DNS, and TCP/IP. Once you understand the basics, move to cybersecurity fundamentals. Learn about common threats like viruses, malware, phishing, ransomware, and social engineering. Also understand how security tools work, like firewalls, encryption, and authentication systems. After that, start practicing hands-on skills. Create a virtual lab using tools like VirtualBox or VMware. Practice Linux commands, explore basic hacking tools, and learn how to monitor networks. Practical experience is very important in cybersecurity. Next, choose your career path. You can become a security analyst, ethical hacker, penetration tester, SOC analyst, or cloud security specialist. Each path has different skills, so explore and decide what suits you best. Then start earning certifications.